Hi guys, so here's how to make a repeating pattern fill in Affinity Designer version 2 on the Windows platform. The previous one was iPad, so let's see what the changes are for Windows. Start with a blank clipboard again, 3600 by 3600 pixels should do it. Make it transparent and no margins. Fairly straightforward that bit. Now here's our blank canvas, simple so far. Draw out a transparent rectangle that would fit a small mug, for example. Close the blank document for now and locate the image you want for your pattern. Now I'm going to load an EPS file, and from this file select just the chicken. Copy the chicken and close the EPS file, and from the Files menu select New from Clipboard. Then, once you've got that in there, just export the image as a PNG file and name it Chicken PNG. Put it somewhere where you can find it really easily. Now that you have your image for the pattern, open your original document that you created and select Fill. In the Type field, be careful. Don't use the drop-down menu, but carefully click on the word None and the type list shows with bitmap the last. Click on Bitmap. As soon as you do this, you'll get a Files pop-up that allows you to select an image to use. This is the Files option. So that's you've clicked on Bitmap and up pops that. Now I've located my chicken PNG, which I believe I put in the Dropbox Affinity Assets folder, and you can see it there, chicken.png. Now just click on the name, on that chicken PNG name, and it immediately loads into the object, but looks way out of proportion, and of course it is. No problems, just click on the right arm of the adjustment and draw it in a small distance, a little at a time, to adjust the pattern. And if you've got snapping turned on, you'll see that that dot and the arms are on the exact centre line, the horizontal and vertical centre lines. It's quite sensitive, same as on the iPad, but you'll get the hang of it. Adjust to how you want it and bingo, job done. Now if you want more space between the chickens, just make your original chicken with a larger transparent area around it, because it's the PNG file you're loading in. Now that PNG file I used was right to the boundaries of the little square that the chicken was on, so just put it on a bigger square. There we go. So thanks for watching. Short and sweet. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like, and please share the video with your friends. Anyone with Windows into sublimation and printing can use this.